Hi, I'd like to talk to you about a feature. The name of the feature is Generate Alternative and Temporary Item Level Call Numbers. I want to show you how this is done. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that the customer parameter, which is entitled Temp Call Numbers Generate Enable, as you see on your screen, is set to true. Once this is done, go into the Resource Management Configuration menu, and we'll do it right now. Let's click on Accession Number under the General. And you can see I've already done it to save some time, but here you would create your Accession Number sequence. You've got the sequence name, the library, and the method. The method we're going to use is prefix and sequence. And I've already added some prefixes here, or prefixes, and you can see the next sequence there. If we wanted to add a new sequence, we would just do so here under sequence name, library, method, and so forth. When you're done, click Save, and since we've already done it, it's already in the system. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a repository search for a physical item, and we'll go see these shiny new buttons. As winter's approaching here in the Northern Hemisphere, we'll search for snow. And let's open up a physical item. Let's click on Items. Now, whether we're adding an item or editing an item, we should expect to see these new buttons. Let's edit the existing item. If we look down at location information, we can see one of the new Generate buttons. Let's give this a try. We'll click on Generate. And looking at the top of the screen, it says as follows: an accession number sequence with the prefix MA was selected and will be used to generate the call number upon save, and the expected value is MA4. So let's try and generate that. We'll click Save. Now let's go back and edit and see if our call number has been added. Sure enough, MA4 is the alternative call number, ready and waiting. Now I mentioned that there are going to be two new buttons, and we currently see one. Where's the other one? If we look down at temporary location information, we're going to need to add a temporary library, and the same would go if it was the additional information section. Let's add a temporary library. And now the button appears for us, and we can generate the same way that we did for the location information. Now, customers certainly don't need to use this feature, and those that wish can continue with existing settings for call numbers. But those that wish to adopt this feature are certainly welcome, and we hope you enjoy it. Wishing you a great month of December and a Happy New Year.